everybody! Today we are going to read an ABC book. It's called The ABC of Nature. ABC of Nature, a wild and wonderful alphabet. Ammonite. Ammonites lived in the world's oceans millions of years ago. Ammonite fossils help scientists learn what parts of Earth were once covered by water. Aster. Aster bloom late in summer and are important food for butterflies and bees. Alligator. Alligators live in lakes, rivers, swamps, and marshes. Bee. Butterfly. There are more than 17,500 different types of butterflies in the world. This is a monarch. Beetle. Nearly 1 out of every 5 animals on Earth is a beetle. Bobcat. Bobcats get their name from their short, bobbed tails. C. Chickadee. Chickadees make more than 15 calls, including a chick-a-dee-dee-dee sound. Crane. A crane is a tall wading bird. They can be 5 feet tall. Caterpillar. Caterpillars change into pupas before becoming moths or butterflies. D. Dragonfly. Dragonflies existed on Earth before dinosaurs. They have special wings that help them fly forward, up, down, and even backward. Deer. A baby deer is called a fawn. A fawn can stand just minutes after being born. Dandelion. Most people think of dandelions as weeds, but they have been used as food, tea, and medicine for hundreds of years. E. An egret. An egret tucks its head back into an S shape when it flies. Elk. Elk antlers can grow up to 1 inch each day. Elk shed their antlers in the winter and regrow new antlers each spring. Ermine. The ermine grows a white coat to help it camouflage in winter snow. Eagle. Eagles build their nests at the top of tall trees or on cliffs. F. Fox. Foxes make more than 20 sounds, including yips, barks, and shrieks. Fiddlehead fern. Fiddleheads are the young, curled leaves of ferns. They are a favorite snack of deer. Foxglove. Foxglove blooms in groups of bell-shaped flowers with speckled insides. Flamingo. Flamingos are pink because of the shrimp and algae they eat. G. Gosling. A gosling is a baby goose. Fluffy goslings can walk and swim just after they hatch. Gecko. Geckos have special toes that help them stick and climb on any surface. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers have special back legs that work like springs to help them jump. Ginkgo. Ginkgo is an ancient species of tree known for their fan-shaped leaves. H. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds have thin, curved beaks for drinking nectar from flowers. Hydrangea. The color of hydrangeas depends on the soil they are grown in. Some soil makes the flowers blue. Hawk. Hawks have excellent eyesight and can spot small prey from high in the sky. Hill. A hill is an area of land that is higher than the land around it, but not as high as a mountain. Ivy. Ivy has a special sticky roots that help it climb up trees and walls as it grows. Icicle. Spiky icicles form when dripping water freezes. J. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have no brain, heart, bones, or eyes. Some jellyfish are bioluminescent, which means they create their own light. Jack in the Pulpit. Jack in the Pulpit gets its name for the shape of its bloom, like a little preacher standing in a pulpit. K. Katydid. Katydids are shaped like a leaf and sing a song that sounds like KT did by rubbing their wings together. Kale. Kale comes in many colors and varieties, and many types are safe to eat. Krill. Tiny krill are important food for many ocean animals, even the gigantic blue whale. L. Lilac. Sweet-smelling lilacs only bloom for a few short weeks in spring. L. Leaves turn energy from the sun into food that helps the plant grow. Loon. Loon hatchlings sometimes ride on a parent's back to warm up from the chilly water. M. Mushroom. Mushrooms are a type of fungus. Sometimes they are also called toadstools. Moth. Most moth species are nocturnal, which means they are most active at night. Manatee. Through history, sailors sometimes reported seeing mermaids in their travels, but most likely they were actually seeing manatees. N. Needle. Pine needles don't fall off in the fall like other types of leaves. They stay on the tree all year long. Newt. Newts are a type of amphibian. They are born in and live near water. O. Owl. Owls are almost completely silent when they fly, helping them quietly catch their prey. Orchid. Orchids are used to make perfumes, medicines, and even flavorings. There are more than 25,000 different kinds of orchids. Octopus. An octopus can change color and shape to blend in with its surroundings. P. Pearl. Saltwater pearls come from oysters that live in the ocean. Porcupine. A porcupine can have more than 30,000 sharp quills. Puffin. Puffins are sometimes called the clowns of the sea because of their brightly colored beaks and dark markings around their eyes. Q. Quill. A quill is a sharp, hollow bristle of hair. Quail. The plume on top of the quail's head is called a topknot and is made from 6 feathers. R. Rain. Rain waters the earth and refills oceans, rivers, lakes, and streams. Rain also provides drinks for thirsty animals and plants. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes shake their tail to warn predators to stay away. Their rattle is made of the same material as our hair and fingernails. Rainbow. When sunlight shines through raindrops, it creates a rainbow. S. Sloth. Sleepy sloths can spend more than 20 hours a day snoozing. Strawberry. Strawberry plants are perennial, which means they grow back year after year. They are one of the first fruits to ripen each spring. Snail. As a snail grows, its shell grows too. A snail keeps the same shell for its entire life. Starfish. A starfish can regrow a lost arm, and sometimes a lost arm can regrow a whole starfish. Spider. Many types of spiders build a whole new web each day. T. Thistle. Thistle flower nectar is a favorite food of bees and butterflies, and birds love to eat thistle seeds. Tornado. Tornado winds can reach top speeds of more than 300 miles per hour. Tendril. Tendrils are the thin curling stems of a plant that attach to walls and fences and help it climb. Turtle. Just like the bones in our bodies, a turtle's shell is part of its skeleton. It works like a shield to help protect the turtle from danger. U. Umbrella bird. The umbrella bird has a flap of skin on its neck called a wattle. The wattle helps make the umbrella bird's calls very loud. Urchin. Sea urchins have a hard inner shell that protects their soft insides. Sometimes these bumpy round shells wash up on the seashore. V. Volcano. Volcanoes are named after Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. Vole. Voles are expert tunnelers. They burrow underground looking for roots and plant bulbs to eat. W. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers have sharp, strong beaks to peck holes in tree bark and find insects to eat. Wasp. Unlike bees that can only sting once, a wasp can sting many times. Walrus. Walruses use their long tusks to pull themselves out of icy Arctic water onto ice. X. Xerus. Xerus grows in wetlands like marshes and bogs and along riverbanks. Xeme. Xeme are a type of small gull. They fish in large flocks over the open ocean. Y. Yabby. The yabby looks like a little lobster and lives in swamps and streams. They can be black, brown, or even bright blue. Yak. Yaks are related to cows. They have long, hairy coats and large handlebar horns. Yucca. Yucca plants can grow in hot, dry climate with almost no water. Z. Zephyr. A zephyr is a soft, gentle breeze. Zebra swallowtail. You can spot a zebra swallowtail by its black and white striped wings and long tails. Zinnias. Zinnia flowers can be white, yellow, orange, pink, red, lilac, purple, or multicolored. Zinnias are a symbol of friendship. The end. I hope you had fun learning fun facts about the world around you and practicing our ABCs. Love you guys. Bye.